Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on a computer. First, confirm your system meets the requirements, typically needing at least 8 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card with 2 GB of RAM. Next, acquire the game from a digital store like Steam and complete the installation process. Once installed, simply launch the application from your desktop or game library. You'll then be greeted by the main menu, ready to dive into the world of soft body physics. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you're in the game, mastering the basic controls is key to enjoying BeamNG Drive. The W, A, S, and D keys are your primary interface for driving, handling acceleration, steering, and braking. For those who prefer, the arrow keys provide an equally effective alternative for vehicle control. Your mouse is essential for camera manipulation, allowing you to look around your vehicle and the environment, and also for navigating the game's intuitive menus. Practice these fundamental inputs to gain confidence behind the virtual wheel. BeamNG Drive offers a rich variety of game modes to keep you engaged for hundreds of hours. Free roam is perfect for open-world exploration, letting you drive anywhere and create your own crash tests with incredible detail. Scenarios provide structured challenges, from high-speed chases to precision driving tasks, each designed to test different aspects of your skill. Campaigns offer a series of linked missions, providing a more narrative-driven experience. Each mode provides a unique way to enjoy the game's advanced physics engine. One of the most exciting aspects of BeamNG Drive is its extensive customization and vibrant community. You can personalize your vehicles with countless parts, paint schemes, and performance enhancements, tailoring them to your exact preferences. The game also boasts a massive modding scene, allowing you to download thousands of community-created vehicles, maps, and gameplay additions, vastly expanding your experience. Connecting with other players online can provide valuable insights, new challenges, and a shared passion for this unique driving simulator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.